We have a treat this evening. Danny has been itching to see what's in these buckets of potatoes. And we've had so much rain here until it's just time. It's just time to dump it over onto this cardboard and see what we have. I'm gonna turn the camera down and we're just gonna let it roll. Okay. Take it away, Danny.
All right, come on. We're just gonna pull them out.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I better get my basket ready. Oh, look at here, look at here. This is so much better than last time, isn't it? Well, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, what happened? Where's that little tag? Are you sure that's all? You sure that's all we have? Oh, that's nothing. To recap, we planted these potatoes in this pot the last day of February. And we just put them in the pot, buried them with some soil. And that's all we did, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's rained a whole lot, so we've never really had to water them. And yeah, this is what we got. Well, let me put the camera down here and I'll show you. It is what it is. I don't know why we didn't get any more than this. I'm gonna blame it on the rain.
Makes me want to dig a hole.
Well, we can dig all of them if you want to.
They're not gonna grow anymore, I don't think.
I don't think they are either. We're gonna blame it on the rain. So we're gonna, well, let me show you how many that we got out of this one pot. That is what we got out of the one container. Some of them are, you know, as big as my palm. And some of them are bigger than that. So I'm encouraged. All right, let me get the camera back and we'll dig another one. Well, okay, let me get my glove on.
This is gonna have more.
Okay, you think that one's gonna be a lot?
How many we got in that one? 30, around 30, I think.
Well, are we counting the little bitty baby tiny ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I think you counted them while I was gone.
I did.
Ah! Yeah, it's about 30. 30 we got out of that one. Let me get this out of the way.
Snake!
I can't pick that up, that's too heavy. Oh, this one has ants in it, Danny. Be careful. There's that towel. Oh, there's a big one.
Wow.
That's like a good bacon potato. A good bacon potato. Look at the basket. Oh, look at this one. Ooh! Look at that one, Danny.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we planted these the last day of February, and today is June the 20th.
I don't know.
I don't know, but we didn't have more of the white ones than we did the red ones.
They're bigger.
Yeah.
About 22 of those.
And they're bigger.
Yep.
Right. Look at that big old worm. We're gonna put him back. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Another big worm.
Is this a red one?
Yeah, this one's a mixed bucket.
Oh yeah, this was mixed with reds and whites.
Another good one.
Ooh, that is a good one. Is that it?
That's it.
Okay, this is the great harvest from container number 3 that was mixed reds and whites. And that's the other, oh, where's my bucket? My basket. So we got a basket full, plus,
A lot better than we did last year.
yeah, a lot better than we did last year. Was it the second one from the left or the third
Third
one?
one.
The third one from the left, we already harvested it, and we got a bunch of little new potatoes out of that, and I took a picture of them. I'll put it on the screen here. So it was easy to do, and I thought it was a lot of fun. We don't have a place here where we can like till up a garden and plant stuff in the ground, which I think that maybe the potatoes might do better if you do them that way, and then you can plant a whole lot more. And you know, one plant makes a pretty good mini potatoes, but we're just limited with the space that we have. So if you're limited on space like we are, just grab you a bucket, put some soil in it, and sometime in February, and plant you some potatoes. And it's just fun to watch them grow and watch them green up. Anyway, growing in buckets is a lot of fun, and it didn't take anything other than just putting the soil in there and putting the potatoes in there. Mother Nature did the rest. So I recommend it. And this is what we have. Oh, and it's heavy. The Great Potato Harvest 2025. Until next year, potatoes. All right, Danny, are you happy with it? It'll do.
Thought we'd get more than that.
He's a little bit disappointed. But I'm happy with
But
him.
it's better than last year.
Yeah, last year it was kind of a failure. But this year, it's all
We're
right.
getting better.
We're getting better. Next year will be even better. So y'all stay tuned and subscribe and stick around for next year's harvest. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode of Patty B Gardening. And I hope that y'all will have the opportunity to get out and do some fun things in your gardens too. Bye.